Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the right adapter, an Apple Lightning Digital AV adapter or a certified equivalent. This converts iPhone video output to HDMI. Plug the HDMI cable into the adapter now, then into the TV. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and on the home screen so the handshake can begin. Once done, power the TV and set its input to the HDMI port you used. This immediate setup lets the devices detect each other and avoids connection delays or blank screens. Plug the lightning end of the adapter into your iPhone until it seats fully. A loose fit causes intermittent video. With HDMI connected to the TV, you should see the iPhone display mirrored or an app's video playing. If nothing appears, unlock the phone and swipe to the app you want, then start playback. Some apps initiate output only during video. Make sure iPhone volume isn't muted and the TV source is active, because the adapter forwards both video and audio through HDMI. Finish by adjusting display settings on the iPhone if needed. Rotation lock, zoom, or app-specific settings can change output. If the screen stays black, disconnect and reconnect each component in order. HDMI to TV, HDMI to adapter, adapter to iPhone. If still failing, restart both devices. This resets the HDMI handshake. Key troubleshooting tip: try a different HDMI cable or TV to isolate whether the adapter cable or TV port is defective. Replace the faulty component to restore a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.